Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get or unlock the Tidal Stove in Heartopia Colorful's event. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you're going to talk to Masimo. He's at the Waterfall Canyon. He's right here guys. And then you're going to complete quest from him. Once you complete the quest, you'll get Tidal Stove recipe. And then you can craft the Tidal Stove with your workbench. Or actually, before you craft the Tidal Stove, you can use some of the Tidal Stoves right here for free. Just go to this area and you're going to use the Tidal Stove. Okay, right here. You can use the Tidal Stove to cook Call of Whale's food. Okay, and then I'm going to show you guys what you need to craft the Tidal Stove. I'm going to go to my house. Wait. Alright, this is my workbench and I'm going to show you guys how we can craft the Tidal Stove. Alright, I'm going to choose the Tidal Stove recipe and we need stone, quality timber, and also the pearl oyster material pack, and I'm going to craft it. Alright, done. I've just made the Tidal Stove, and then you can place the Tidal Stove in your house, and you can use it to cook the fashion wave food such as the starfruit pearl cake, ocean iced drink, and so on. Okay guys, and that's how you can unlock the Tidal Stove in Heartopia Colorful's event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!